Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I will show you some Blender shortcuts before we start. I want to remind you of my friend's extension. Give it a try. Here I'm trolling my friend. So why don't you start trolling your friends? Link is in the description. Enjoy. Alright everyone, let's start with the first shortcut. Middle mouse to move around the scene. Keep holding I and rotate around easily. Press S to scale the object. And you can also specify which axis you want to scale by pressing S plus Y to scale in the Y-axis, or S plus X to scale in the X-axis, or S plus Z to scale in the Z-axis, as you can see in the video. Press G to move the object around, and you can also choose which axis you want the object to move on, similar to scale, G plus Y or G plus X or G plus Z. This is what we call global axis, and you can also move it based on its rotation by pressing G plus ZZ or G plus YY or G plus XX, and this is what we call local axis. Press R to rotate your object, and like always, if you press R plus one of the axis, it will be rotated based on that axis like R plus Z. Press T to show or hide the toolbar easy. Press Tab to switch between Edit mode and Object mode. In Object mode, you can rotate, scale, and change position. While in the Edit mode, you can change their geometry. You can select vertices, edges, and faces, but before, choose the type of selection. For example, if it's vertices, click on the vertex you want and move or scale similar to other selections. Press 1 for vertices selection, 2 for edge selection, 3 for face selection. Press Shift plus A to create a new object. You can choose different type of object. I'll let you explore. Go to Edit mode, select a face, and then press I to inset, and press E to extrude faces. Inset is like creating a new face inside the face you selected, and extrude duplicates the face and keeps it connected to the selected face while you move it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our Discord server. Link is in the description. Stay safe and have fun.